Katu kanisngi hadian bagi nong tray ASHA bat ki ASHA facilitator kilami yaki shasurok bandawa nak Sorkar ban pyntreikam shek jingeh jungki MLA Nongpoh sonsi ba meral bon CM ha ka si ba ar ka dorbar mang tingka ka yeng dorbar thawan ka jala megalia ha ka nyutrek luber arjar arwar ulara yak tai ha ka yeng yakani kaman.
Apart from visiting each and every household to guide the pregnant mothers, to guide the family who need to be looked into, to bring close to the health system, to the sub-center, to the PHC, to give awareness. At the same time, directly, indirectly, it has a link with IMR and MMR within our state. So it is very important that the issues and the grievances of the ASHAs and the ASHA facilitator, both these two sections, need to be looked into. And I have said in my opening remark, in the past also they have been on the street, they have been running from pillar to post for their dues, for their incentive. So I would like to request the Honorable Minister through this call attention to look into this matter on these few points. For the ASHAs, the fixed honorarium, so far they are getting 2,000 rupees per month as the fixed honorarium. If we divide per day, it will come to around 66 rupees. Compared to the hard work, the service that they are rendered upon, it is not worth to. So, even though we understand that this 2,000 rupees also, it has just been given last year, I would like to urge the Honorable Minister, the department, to look into the matter, to raise this fixed honorarium, if not to 300 per day, also at least to 150 to 200 per day, so that it will come to 5,000 to 6,000. So that is the first point. Second point with ASHA is that with regard to the pending incentive, be it the incentive from the central government, be it the incentive from the state government, the MMBS Meghalaya Maternity Benefit Scheme, we would like to urge the government so that they will be paid on time, this incentive for the visit from one household to another. At the same time, the incentive during COVID-19, which is need to be looked into, we urge the department, the government, to see that this incentive also will be cleared at earliest. At the same time, overall these three issues.
Halo kani kamat Menteri Bedihmi yang kata koi kakya ke Sorkar Jalau James PK Sangma ula pentip pasien on pyntreikam ya ke ASHA payment mobile application habaro kawai ke jala nadu yoyong arjar arwa nak benta bansiu biang por ya kapisa hapo sapu prakanta.
With the support of the NHM, the ASHA and ASHA facilitator payment mobile application. Now with this new process, sir, number one, this is through a mobile app, sir. So the claim forms which will be submitted to the ASHA facilitator and to the ANMs will be done on this mobile phone app, and we can see how seamless the process will become and how we will be cutting short on a lot of time wasted in paper forms, moving from one desk to the other and coming back, so on and so forth, sir. Therefore, sir, with this ASHA payment ASHA and ASHA facilitator payment mobile application form, sir, this application app, sir, we are very, very confident that the time unnecessarily taken for verifying all these claims would be cut short, and ASHAs would get their payments in a very, very short time, sir. We expect within 48 hours, sir. So this application has been rolled out on a pilot basis in the Umling block in Ribhoy district. And it is expected, sir, to be implemented in the entire state by April 2022, so in 2 months' time. I'm also happy to inform you, sir, that 74 ASHA workers of Umling block have successfully raised their claims and payments have been made to their accounts within 48 hours of their claims, sir.
Hadin belawai ka dorbar ka kenhun usulong mil kelayo benikren bot ba mineral bond balabatai kamsai balai bulwan ra ya katai kamat hapo ka yeng dorbar bat pensngo bo sngohun ni ya kesin jam bak sorkar klasim leng ba kejubab no menteri katai katanan
Bangi sutu ki ASHA gede ki bekersan ya ka health department ya katanan dengan kot ya bat ki ba wara bat penjan ya ki jingrap nak yang ke health department syaki ba di kumbala ban sutu ki jingai lenti ha ke jing trei ke jongki toros kata na do balastan bat khamtam ha ke jing ya lomba jong kham jong covid kan kandai ki ASHA gede ki wei na ki long trei ki ba latris tom do kata ki ba don ha madan at the ground bagi om fi na lor bangi ai khu play ki ki long trei jong health department ro ki bukan trop ki doktor ki nurse ki paramedical staff ndri ka kongsan ba kini ki ASHA ro kita ki bala tristom ki ASHA nanti ki ASHA facilitator ki bade ben pek iki ki bala simkhia kat bala na ka banta ban wara ya ka health system khamjan sha ki pai ba khamta ha ka widi bet ki long kemi ki ba armen ki ba kha khlum na do por ki armen do ko ki ta kha ban pen tikna ba ki tu ki jingara ki benefit ki scheme prepare ki ASHA ki ki long kemi ki armen ki khlum ki ben yo ka kamram jong ki ASHA bat kemudian mentah ki ASHA nak por jumi asuro ki jura plakat ki ju hartal namar bakim ju yo tikna ya kejing siu ke bebiang ke bekentup ya ke tu fix honorium ka ba ajar ka na stang menyo no macam snap kejing demand bat ni pentu ya ke Sorkar ban backer ban ki ASHA kalong bade ban penkiu no ya ka tu ka ajar la kumno ka petuna aero saka kendai hajar kejing kwa kejing ki kemut lai spa ka chisgi ka tu di ke fix honorium nalor kiwi ki incentive ki ba control ku MBS ki jong state government ba kiwi ki jong central government ki don ha ka ba ni control ba ka Sorkar kan simkhia ba ha ka de bet ki incentive ni ku ba ka department Sorkar kan siu deploy ka bala nomor kolong irregular ka kam tikna ka sakut dagi benai betul terter dagi likin yo tikna gini incentive la gede nak Sorkar pedeng la nak Sorkar jela ikwa ban pentikna ba ki tu ki jing siu ki incentive ki de ban poi tikna sha ki ASHA ha ka bede ki ASHA facilitator ba ka bukusan ka ba ka tu ka DA ke jong traveling allowances mentaki yo ka jing siu ka ba lain spa dan ka per visit cuba mentaki AF ASHA facilitator ka ban lech ki na ka ikasno musha ka ikasno bai kali metang kabaran don bosan pro don benyo pro don pro tengkat ki haban dersia ke kali talai spa kala duna de jing kwa juga ASHA facilitator ban penkiu la lai spa usah san spa per visit magi sai visit ar pausin nang si benai telah kenomno katu kan ya rap sibun na do taban la ban pentikna ya kali ke jing yo ajung ki ban haju kompot ya ketuka fix honorium jong ki ASHA ko long ar san spa katu kuan ki di ban penkiu ya ketu fix honorium ka jongki ru de kita isu do ni ki ba dilara ban ngi scam ba kan ni persang jong ka Sorkar na guna ni sistem ki WhatsApp na guna ban state ni jing siu ki jongki ko am ketu kan ya state kloi ka bala ba department kan penting na ba ki to insentif kin poi kloi syaki ASHA ba ki ka fix honorium jongki ASHA ba ki ASHA facilitator ba kin penkiu kenam kan long ki mentoi nam da ki ASHA ki jongki balong kup ki backbone dong budlum jong ka health system ka tenan ka koi ka kia ti gede ka good move ni appreciate ya kene ka move kana makan pen step ti kidon hi ki issue marwa ka ne ka up ya se kidon ni ka bom don network ke bakala ban long kala ban long kidon hi ki merit demerit tingin habudin ya kene ban peti kena ba kat bom pat long dan neru ndri ka jing pen poi manually ya ka jing yo ke setiap jing kir ka dia ban step kloi ka bala